How would you like to make money doing the things you love to do? Have you figured out what you're passionate about? Do you think you can make money doing the things that you're passionate about? You think you can make money doing that? Well, in these next few videos, I will be talking about a simple system that can identify your passion and make money while doing it. So stay tuned. But there's some key instructions I need to tell you about first. So make sure you follow them. Number 1, close out of all other programs and turn off all distractions. And focus. Yes, focus. Number 2, do not skip ahead in this video, otherwise you may miss a crucial step. I will take you step by step through this process. And it's not that hard. Number 3, if you need to pause this video at any time to take notes, please feel free to do so. Number 4, please like this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Support this channel. And number 5, share this video on social media and with everyone you know. I'd appreciate it. And also, number 6, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Number 7, lastly, please leave a comment and tell me where you're from. I might have some opportunities in your country. Okay, so let's get on to the video tutorial.
Video number 6, How to Live Your Passion with Intention. Once you've identified your passion and found some practical uses for it, the hard part comes next. Believe it or not, living your passion won't be easy. You may find yourself having to defend it to family and friends. While standing up for your passion may be a challenge, it won't be the hardest one. Keep your day job type of nagging may come up. How are you going to deal with that annoyance? You will have to consistently work with yourself to stay true to doing what you love. If you've made it all the way to adulthood without pursuing your passion, there's sometimes a very compelling reason: fear. It's not easy to put yourself out there to potentially be judged, especially if your passion is considered impractical. It can also be scary to do something that you aren't familiar with or comfortable doing. This fear is natural and shouldn't be used as an excuse not to move forward. If you have found something that you enjoy, it's worth it to pursue it. Another thing that prevents more people from following their passion is failure. The fear of failure is one of the strongest and most paralyzing ones. However, the fear of success may be just as strong. Sometimes it's easier to simply sit and dream about what could be than it is to actually go out and do it. Both success and failure carry with them their own level of responsibility, but in either case, you've made the first step and tried. We can often be our own worst critics, especially when it comes to stepping outside of our own box and doing something different. Negative and doubtful self-talk is natural, but it shouldn't stop you. Neither should you not knowing what to do next. Yes, I've given you some steps to follow, but if you noticed, many of them involve doing some research. We live in a society where information is an important commodity and it's very readily available. Take advantage of it. Just as not following your passion brings with it the responsibility of a dream unfulfilled, following your passion and being successful brings with it the responsibility that comes with that success. The great thing about following through with something that's risky is that even if you do fail, you can rest comfortably knowing that you tried. If you do nothing at all, you never know what could have been. Happiness is a decision. If you make the decision that you are going to follow your passion and that it will make you happy, it will. This information is great, but it's even better with some case studies of people who pursued their passions and became successful entrepreneurs. When you begin to actively follow your passion, it could be an isolating experience. Often your family and friends won't be able to come with you on this journey. But there are a lot of other people out in the world who have taken that plunge and done so successfully. Here are a couple of people who took their passion and ran with it. Jenny Blake, passion is writing. Jenny was one of the lucky ones. She found a great job that she loved. She made great money working for Google. While she loved her job, something was missing. She had an entrepreneurial spirit and always wanted to strike out on her own, but the fear and uncertainty that comes with it kept her from making the leap. Plus her job was great, so she worked to be satisfied with it. She was living the corporate dream with a growing 401k, yearly bonuses and a nice salary. She loved her position and the work that she did at Google, but in the meantime she continued to pursue her passion for writing by starting a blog, which led to her writing a book. After much thought, she took a 3-month leave of absence and self-funded her own book tour. After those 3 months, she realized that not only could she be an entrepreneur, she could excel at it. She left her job, which was not a popular decision, and is now blogging full-time, coaching, speaking and promoting her book project. While she loved her job and all of the comforts it brought, she loved running her own business even more. It wasn't an easy decision to walk away from her comfortable life to pursue her passion as a career, but she did it and is glad she did. Kevin West, passion is jamming, jelly not music. Kevin West is an editor of W Magazine who fell into his passion almost by happenstance. Although he grew up eating strawberry jam and pickled beets canned by his grandmother in his hometown in eastern Tennessee, he didn't grow up with a passion for doing it himself. It wasn't until he bought an entire flat of strawberries that he found his passion for making jam. After buying the flat, he realized that he would not be able to eat them all before they go bad. He found his passion in creating jams and does it on a full-time basis. Thank you for watching this series. If you miss one of the episodes, please go to my channel and look up Pursuit of Passion and how to get it. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later in the next upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when I post a new video, and click that like button to give this video and channel some much needed love. Thanks and God bless you.
Well, that's it for today's video, and hope you got some valuable information. Please click on the like button to jog that YouTube machine. Please also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Please also leave a comment down below and share this with everyone you know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and go make money now. See you in the next video. Take care.